Hello there everyone watching, Mr. Dev here. So in today's video, I will tell you my new schedule because I think that I will upload daily. That's impossible because we need to film it and then edit it and a lot of things in the line. So the problem is I can do it in one day. I made two types of schedule. You can also vote in the comment and also in the community tab. Go and vote so I can choose my schedule. So number one is one video every 4 day. I think that's not bad, but that will improve my editing skills because I will spend more time filming and editing. So 3 days for filming and 1 day for editing. So my second schedule is two video per week. I think both are same. Yeah, but I am very confused which one do I choose because that will help me uploading video according to my schedule. That will improve my subscriber and also views. So that's it for today. See you.